McNally Office Service Incorporated is an established family-owned office furniture business located in Saginaw, Michigan. We have been providing office furniture, office space solutions, and upholstery services in the Mid-Michigan area since 1979. We offer new and used furniture while providing top-quality office design that will fit your office space and budget needs. Used office furniture is a great alternative and is also an excellent cost-saving option for a new or startup business. The staff at McNally Office Service can help find the look and the quality you desire for your space. We achieve your vision by working one-on-one with you to determine your exact office furniture needs. Our services will allow organized and productive workspaces, making your office space complete. We also offer vinyl signs for your office space, ergonomic solutions, and much more. We are proud distributors of Global Group Furniture and Evolve Furniture. For more information, call McNally Office Services Incorporated today at 989-781-4710 or visit our website, mcnallyofficeservice.com.